managing your checkbook. First thing we're going to look at is how do you write a check now that you have a checking account. First thing is the date of the check goes on the date line in the upper right hand corner. And then the company or individual that you are writing the check out to goes on the pay to the order of line. The amount of the check goes on in this line next to the dollar sign. And make sure that if there's no cents and it's just dollars, that you put the decimal point in 00 at the end. Then you write the amount out. You write the dollar amount, then the word and, the cents amount over 100, and if there's extra space, draw a line through the rest of the check. The memo or for line is just for you. It is optional that you can write something there about what the check was for. Some companies do want you to put the account number so they make sure that your money goes to the correct account when you send in the bill. And lastly, your signature goes in the bottom right hand corner. Now that you've written checks, we need to make sure that we balance the checkbook. In your checkbook, you'll notice here that there are already two transactions. One is a deposit for the paycheck, the other one is a check that you wrote. We have the date that it was a paycheck for $1,000 in the deposit, and then we add the amount to the balance, and now we have $3,000. The check, we write the check number, the date, who the check was written out to, the payment amount of the check, and we subtract it from the balance. The next thing would be our other checks. We have the check number 203, the date that the check was written, the company it was written out to, the amount of the check in the payment column, and then again we subtract from the balance, so we have a balanced checkbook and we now know at all times how much money we have in our account. And that's all you have to do.